10 वेट लॉस फ्रेंडली डोसा डिशेस टू ट्राई। अगर आपको डोसा बहुत ज़्यादा ही पसंद है पर आपको डर है कि कहीं डोसा खाने से आपका वेट ज़्यादा बढ़ ना जाए, तो आज ही आजमाएं इन 10 तरह के डोसे को, जिससे आप खा करके आसानी से अपना वज़न को कम कर सकते हैं। तो क्या है वो 10 तरह के डोसे, चलिए जानते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Dosa's weight loss friendly benefits stem from its versatility in incorporating nutritious ingredients like oats, lentils, and vegetables, providing fiber, protein, and essential nutrients while keeping calories in check. Number 1 is oats dosa. Incorporating oats into your dosa batter adds fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full longer, supporting weight loss efforts. Second is ragi dosa. Ragi flour derived from finger millet is rich in calcium, iron, and dietary fiber. This dosa variant is not only nutritious but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, promoting weight management. Moong dal dosa. Moong dal is low in calories and high in protein, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed pounds. Its protein content helps build lean muscle mass while keeping you satisfied for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake. Quinoa dosa. Quinoa is a complete protein source and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps control hunger, making quinoa dosa a great addition to a weight loss diet. Brown rice dosa. Brown rice is a whole grain rich in fiber and essential nutrients. It has a lower glycemic index compared to white rice, meaning it helps regulate blood sugar levels and promote satiety, which can aid in weight loss. Mixed lentil dosa. Combining various lentils such as masoor, moong, and chana dal in your dosa batter boosts its protein and fiber content. This not only helps in muscle repair and growth but also keeps you feel full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Vegetable dosa. Adding vegetables like carrot, bell pepper, and spinach to a dosa batter increases its fiber and nutrient content. These vegetables are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making vegetable dosa a nutritious and weight loss friendly choice. Millets dosa. Millets like barnyard and little millet are gluten free and rich in fiber and essential nutrients. Using millets in your dosa batter adds a nutritional boost while supporting weight management goals. Spinach dosa. Blending spinach into your dosa batter not only adds vibrant color but also boosts its nutritional value. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants which support overall health and weight loss. Low fat paneer dosa. Using low fat paneer as a filling in your dosa adds protein while keeping the dish low in calories. Protein helps increases metabolism and promotes feelings of fullness, aiding in weight loss efforts. So how was the video? Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.